So I think the number one question is usually derived off of the experience of the buyer. So a lot of first-time home buyers will ask me what they should expect when they buy a house. And the answer could be a little bit different depending on experience level. So I work with a lot of first-time home buyers who don't really understand the nature of the finance market, and they really need to be able to have their hand held and to understand what it takes. The finance industry is changing all the time. One of the biggest things that people always tell me is, oh, I used to be in the mortgage industry 7 or 8 years ago, and what they may know or may not know doesn't apply even if you were in the business a couple years ago. So even those people with the general knowledge, I think, of the market don't really grasp what it takes to get a loan done or what they need to do. So I think the number one question that I have, especially from first-time home buyers, is, can I really afford a house, and what is it going to take? And I think the biggest misperception out there is that people require large down payments and they require, perfect credit, and you have to have been in your job at 10 years. I mean, they're looking at the perspective that the homeowner needs to be this flawless homeowner. And although things have definitely tightened, I think it makes it a little bit more difficult for people who are in that thought process, who think that they don't qualify or are scared to qualify because they're concerned about their own background. I think the most important thing that people understand when they're entering the market, if it's for the first time or subsequent times, is speak to someone who knows and have a conversation and understand your personal situation, because it varies so much from person to person.